scares, folks. As you can probably tell from some of the scenery and the sounds going on in here, there is some pretty unreal stuff going on. And some pretty unreal characters. Unreal is up here in Jasonville, Indiana, kind of between Terre Haute and Vincennes, way out here in western Indiana. And we're gonna take you guys inside to see what it's all about, get some scares. Unreal Nightmares is kind of a blend between an escape room and a haunted house. You gotta find puzzles and clues to solve as you go through there. There's doors you gotta unlock. Some of the stuff you gotta figure out by interacting with the characters. Definitely not your typical haunted house. Without further ado, let's get in there.
Okay.
My name is Outtro. The supernatural attraction. This location is a hot spot. Very quickly overwhelmed, but we have since lost contact. We have tried to reestablish communication. That's what we've told you. Your objective is to locate agents, further investigate this location.
To the right. Oh, okay.
In there.
Exited good.
You wanna go town?
Oh,
Yes.
God.
You wanna go town?
I already did. Uh-oh. Look at the doll in the corner. Oh my god. Not that one, that one.
Our daddy locked us
Oh, I don't want to go by that doll. She's creepy.
Sit down!
Sit down?
Sit.
Go ahead. A 4-digit code? Is that attention? Oh, okay.
Hands on there.
Oh, shoot. One.
1,
2.
2.
You?
1, 2. I'm staying with you guys.
Okay. That thing is creepy. So creepy. So many dolls.
You gotta plug it in.
Leave us. I'm trying to leave.
I gotta go upside down.
Don't leave. Don't leave.
Oh,
that lady.
Oh, that's some kind of...
I don't think we can. Oh, that's why she's screaming, is because of you. Oh, God.
Where are you going?
I don't know.
Oh, jeez.
I got a 9.
We got a 4-digit code.
Oh, I thought you were behind her.
No, I'm calling you.
And what are we doing? Numbers?
Yeah.
Are we?
We made it.
We got it, though.
Can't help you.
I'm sorry.
You're stuck.
You will beat me. Oh, I'm hungry.
Somebody in the freezer.
What are you doing?
Well, we're trying to get away from all the crazy people.
We got somebody in there.
It's not working.
Don't leave me, please! Where are you going, huh? Hey, where are you going?
What's that be?
4 numbers.
Okay, I'm looking for him.
Oh, maybe? No, that's because those aren't numbers. I don't think there's any in there. Feed it. Is that it? Woo. He's got a lot of people on him.
Yeah. He's been working hard.
Ready?
Smell good. I bet you taste even
There's something
better.
in there.
Thank you.
It's getting dark in here.
Oh, where'd it go?
I got the other way. There's another one right here.
Yeah, we need another 4 for that.
Look in here.
Did I look in there? I don't want to look in there.
Oh, you so
No, Joanna, we need to look in there.
Let's go.
We're running.
Back up, back. So probably more. Not that.
Maybe on the floor.
There's a hole. Is it in the hole?
There's somebody up there.
Okay.
How'd you get up there?
Look in there.
Whoa. Oh, down there's an arrow. See the arrow? See the arrow?
Yeah, but I don't see.
You gotta look under there.
Oh, you gotta look in here?
Yeah.
All right. Before you leave, you know the 4-digit code.
What? Oh, and we did another. Okay. It's so oh my.
Has he got a number?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. He's kicking me. Ah! Oh.
Go.
He come from way up there.
I don't know.
Oh, they're reaching at us. Ah! Oh, no. Ah, no. We're trying. Oh, and now we're in here with Xander.
Oh, man.
Oh,
You like toys?
Sure.
don't touch
Yes.
his balls.
You like
Don't touch her. Yes.
Don't touch my toys! What are you doing?
Okay. Oh, God.
Or.
You see this toy right here?
I'm trying to survive the clowns. Oh, down. Okay, okay.
Oh, we gotta go down.
Okay.
Joanna's next.
There's something over here.
All right.
Whoa. That door doesn't.
Untie my shoe.
I'm going this way, I think. Ah, what the hell is that? I don't want to. Straight towards
I
the
gotta tie my
demon.
shoes.
No. Oh, shoot. Did he lock the door?
Oh, this
Yeah.
one opened.
Hi. Did it open by itself?
I think so.
Oh, God.
I've got one shoe untied and one tied right now.
Joanna, you want to go in the front? Come on, go! Shit!
What is it?
It's dark! Oh, I haven't seen that guy yet.
Really?
Lordy of mercy, you need help.
You're never going to leave here. You're never going to leave.
Ooh, I don't think I want to do that.
Oh, and I
Shit. Do you see a code?
It's Joanna. What is that?
It's gonna chop out our liver.
Where's Joanna?
She's back here somewhere.
Joanna!
The guide said we need a 4-digit code.
Oh, we need a code?
Maybe something on the
I'm
wall.
holding the light.
I don't. Do
Sorry.
we need a code? For what?
Lockers.
Oh, Joanna's back here.
I'm holding the light. So that's my job right
Hey,
now.
Nora.
Oh.
Get out of the locker.
Help! I don't like him. Fuck this.
She's really attached to that one.
Oh,
That's
okay.
me. That's Veronica.
I like the 13. First number is 4.
Alright, so we 3 more numbers.
4.
Oh, God. Is James out of the locker?
I don't know. I don't. That creepy doctor was always.
Creepy. I'm just misunderstood.
Nope, you're fucking creepy. Come on. Go. Okay. I'm coming. Blast 4. I don't think it will.
Oh God, he just launched the wheelchair.
I don't see any numbers yet. What is he doing?
He's really mad and throwing stuff.
Where's the numbers?
Help me! Please help me, please.
What do you need help with?
Stay with us. Just stay with us, please. Just stay with us.
I don't.
He'll take care of you.
No, are you sure?
No, just stay with us.
No. We can't.
Wow.
We're leaving.
Oh.
Throwing stuff around back there.
See, I'd be stuck in here forever. How do you open it? Oh, good God.
Push it open.
Oh, Lord.
Oh God. We're going in it. Oh, what is this?
I don't know. But it's creepy.
It's like a skin wall.
Kind of fleshy stuff on the walls.
It's like breathing.
Oh God. It's
Oh.
growling. I think we might have been eaten.
You think so? It kind of looks
squeeze.
like it. I cannot. Uh-oh. Oh,
Look at you.
he can come with us. Oh, he just killed him, Joanna.
we
Joanna, look
went
out.
into
There's a big
Egon's
thing.
overall.
What in the world?
Oh, it's, I don't want to be like that.
What in the world are you?
Check his pulse.
It's a monster.
I think I'm good. He might have
You gotta
something
check him.
contagious.
Check his pulse. He says check his pulse.
Okay.
Oh,
He's pretty cold.
he's pretty cold.
I think he's dead.
He might be done.
He said to check his pulse.
Oh.
Oh God.
Yeah, he looks pretty dead.
He looks pretty dead.
Oh my.
Oh, we gotta find our way out. I don't
He
want to
likes
be
the
like
way I
that.
smell, I think. Oh, the door.
Oh God. Whoa.
Oh God. This
Whoa.
is creepy. They won't let us out.
Into the...
They won't let us out. Help! Joanna! Come
This
back!
way.
I'm gonna have to crawl under its legs!
Thank you for eating but not eating us.
Right?
Alright guys, well, that was it here for Unreal Nightmares. Let us know what you thought. Like I said, it's very unique, kind of a haunt escape room hybrid. It's always tough to find all those clues in there. It is much darker in there than it looks here on this camera. So definitely come out and see them in person. If you do, tell them the Scare Factor sent you. If you want to see the full review with ratings, check out our website, thescarefactor.com. We're gonna head on off to the next one. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.